Keep the machine turned on. Press the thread trimming button while the machine is powered on to allow the needle to reach the appropriate position. Use fabric or stabilizer to cover the needle plate to prevent the embroidery needle from falling when changing the needle. Lower the presser foot. Power off. While holding the embroidery needle, use the screwdriver that comes with the machine to loosen the screw on the right-hand side. Pull down to remove the old embroidery needle. If it is difficult to pull out, maybe the machine is relatively new and you need to push the fixing plate upwards first and then pull the embroidery needle downwards. Take out a new embroidery needle. Put the new needle back along the original path with the curved handle front facing you and tighten the screw with a screwdriver. Okay, have you learned how to replace an embroidery needle? If you think our video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's do it!